To effectively protect a solar energy system, guardian clips must be placed within specific distances of one another. It is recommended that guardian clips are positioned about 3 feet apart across the side of an array. A clip must be placed within a range of 3 to 5 inches away from an array corner on each side. Place a guardian clip right in the center at the location where the mesh around the array overlaps. An overlap in the mesh should maintain a minimum of 4 inches. Be sure that the mesh is firmly pulled against the module frames around the entire array, and that there are no loose areas that may create a space for critters to get through.